I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in the foyer of a Hollington layout townhome, looking down toward a lower level and looking up half a flight of stairs toward the living level. Looking at a generously sized living dining area with plank flooring, high ceilings, wall windows in the living area. Great functional layout here. Getting back toward the kitchen and dining room, we have an open plan. Terrific U-shaped kitchen with a ton of cabinet and counter space. Kitchen island. Pantry closet. Gray quartz counters, a wide farm-style undermount sink. French door refrigerator. It's a 5-burner gas range. Dishwasher. Wall-mounted microwave. Tile backsplash around the U. Both recessed and track lighting. Great kitchen. Great flow in the living areas. And as a bonus, you have a built-in desk with a quartz counter and additional cabinetry. And there's a balcony just off the kitchen. Let's head upstairs. As you head toward the top level of the unit, there's a powder room with a pedestal sink. In the hallway on the second floor, looking at a full-size stacked front-loading washer-dryer behind a louvered door, and looking at a window in the stairwell, a nice touch. Master suite is generously sized. The entire second level is carpeted. Wide wall of windows. Plenty of space for furniture. Master bath. It's a great wide double bowl vanity. Quartz counter with undermount sinks. Drawers for storage. Wide mirror. There's a large walk-in closet. And a separate compartment with a toilet and shower. Great for privacy. Split bedroom layout, good separation of the master from the second and third bedrooms. Attractively finished second bath. There's a deep soaking tub. And there's a wide linen closet directly opposite. Looking at the second bedroom. Second and third bedrooms are a nice size. And the third bedroom. The lower level has a large flex space that could be a great den, family room, home office. There's a closet underneath the stair with space for storage. And there's a direct entry to a 2-car garage that also has plenty of space for storage. Deer Park Crossing has an attractive location directly across from the theaters, shops, and restaurants at the Deer Park Town Center. Deer Park has spacious apartments, upscale finishes, an extensive suite of amenities. You want to have this one high on your must-see list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.